Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by prepping power and connectivity. First, make sure the headphones have at least 20% battery and charge if not. Next, turn on Bluetooth on your phone or computer and clear any stale pairings. This avoids interference. Then power the Marshall headphones by holding the power button for 3 to 5 seconds until the LED blinks. This indicates pairing mode. Once done, you're ready to move to the actual pairing and sound adjustments. You pair and configure sound next. On your device, select the Marshall entry in Bluetooth and accept the pairing prompt quickly. Some devices time out in about 30 seconds. Once connected, set device volume to roughly 50% and then use the headphone volume to fine-tune. This prevents sudden loud spikes. After that, open the Marshall app or the built-in EQ to shape bass and treble. Adjust in small increments and save a custom preset so your preferred profile loads automatically. You finish by validating and resolving problems. Play a familiar track to confirm left/right balance, microphone behavior, and noise cancellation performance. Make small EQ tweaks if it sounds off. If pairing fails or audio drops, reset the headphones by holding power and pairing buttons simultaneously for about 10 seconds, then try pairing again. Also, make sure firmware is up to date via the Marshall app. Update.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.